Scope of digital marketing in India. According to VIA Social's report, the number of internet users around the world is rapidly approaching 4.5 billion users, with the report estimating that implementation of 5G networks will create a new digital milestones as mobile data usage reaches unprecedented speeds. Hi everyone, this is MS Kumar, Digital Marketing Trainer and founder of National Institute of Digital Marketing, Bangalore. India's monthly active internet user base is estimated to touch 639 million by end of December 2020. This figure was projected to grow to over 974 million users by 2025. The number of monthly active internet users in India has grown 24% over that of 2019, with an overall penetration of 41% last year, indicating a big market potential in internet services. In fact, India was ranked as the second largest online market worldwide in 2020, coming second only to China. The increasing significance of an internet alongside the global movement towards digital transformation and automation has undoubtedly disrupted even the most traditional marketing roles. As market in India continues to progress, business leaders are expected to significantly grow their teams and strategically position their hiring to remain ahead of competition from other regions. The demand of content creators and digital marketers is expected to grow phenomenally, with out of the box thinking being high on the priority list amongst employers in this sector. With digital marketing now an integral part of any industry, the need for professionals with suitable skills has become a priority for most businesses. However, the rapid evolution of digital marketing has created a digital disconnect where professionals are yet to reach the expected level of digital skill set. This has led to shortage of suitable talent in technology job market, including digital marketing technology. There has been a positive growth in digital marketing hiring within retail, e-commerce and education sectors, which act as an underlying statement that the valuation of marketing professionals, particularly those with digital skills, is on the rise. The top skills in demand fall within the areas of content creation, branding strategies, and consumer data marketing. More companies are realizing the importance of digital marketing and started analyzing the consumer data, and that their ability to drive market growth hinges on the depth of their ability to translate consumer insights and branding initiatives into effective actions. This has driven up demand for candidates working in the areas of market research, digital marketing, campaign analysis, and marketing operations. The digital marketing sector is seeing an intensified demand for candidates with knowledge in content strategy, social media, creative campaigns, and search engine optimization. These skills will allow marketing professionals to leverage on digital channels and improve traffic alongside a host of data related activities that are gaining mounting importance. Being able to creatively think out of the box and strategically advise the business tops this list. Managers and senior managers are expected to be leading instruments who can drive productivity and efficiency in the company. A lot of companies want candidates who can not only grow sales but also advise a company on how it can be doing better, be it through partnership, hiring influencers, creative ideas that can save cost. Owing to social media increasing popularity in the recent years, more companies in India are looking for social media managers to leverage these platforms. Within traditional marketing, brand managers, marketing managers, PR, and communication managers are the most in demand. The market is currently competitive. Salary offers are usually largely dependent on industry rather than role. While most marketing professionals are well compensated and offered benefits such as annual bonuses and various allowances, pay scales do vary with industry. The increase in seniority. For example, a digital marketer in an e-commerce company could earn up to twice the amount a digital marketer of an education company would. Digital platforms like social media have also become the norm to promote company culture, owing to their ability to generate views across wide demographics. Interview norms are also becoming more flexible and open, which falls in line with the demand for creative thinking. Employers have been refreshing their techniques. Interview process are now more like first day at work, where they can run candidates through case studies and discussions which allow them to showcase their thought process. More companies are also encouraging their employees to upskill, often offering additional allowances or courses to facilitate this. Moreover, the world is changing at very fast pace due to the connectivity of the internet. The digital age has made the old marketing strategy no longer as effective. Fast growing businesses, both big and small, should no longer ignore the impact of digital marketing in India. Looking to the future, digitalization is certainly transforming marketing roles. The need for human touch will safeguard marketing as a whole. A lot of jobs are being replaced by digital and automation, and there are areas where traditional marketing may no longer be a priority need. But while artificial intelligence and robotics can mimic human behavior and thinking, when it comes to purchasing, nobody can relate better than another human being. A meaningful advertisement, for example, that focuses on family or relationships can captivate a human being. An AI may not be able to do this. It is undeniable that digital marketing in India is the only one true key to your business success. As marketers, we need to be more agile and innovative than ever before. Learn to implement digital marketing strategy to your own business and always keep up with the times. If you have any queries, please do mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.